Lunchtime, everybody. Today I'm making some Big Mac snack wraps. I'm making them really quick today. Instead of making patties, I'm just cooking the ground beef this way. It's just faster. And I put the minced onion, you know, the dried onion flakes, I just sprinkle that in with the ground beef instead of letting them soak in water for a little bit or anything. We're just gonna chop up some lettuce. I've got pickles. We have the secret sauce. And this is almost done. I believe the time has come to say goodbye to all the garden. I think everything is done. Even the few peppers that were left on this habanero plant are all squishy. Cucumber plant definitely didn't make it through the unexpected colder temperatures. Nor did the bush beans. There's a few little beans that were about to try to start happening there. Just got too cold on us too quick this year. There's still a little bit of hope for some carrots right here though. We'll go ahead and get this cage out here. We'll put these down in the shed. We'll empty all the grow bags and move them down to the shed too, just to kind of clean it up over here some now. What I found.
Ew.
What kind of tractor is this? A ZT?
But it don't have a wagon to pull it around.
Did it have a wagon?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
My one had a wagon. And my other one was little, and it can break.
Out of gas?
We need leaf cutter ants.
Oh, Sissy got it. Exciting news. I didn't even know this was out there on the porch until we were out there blowing the leaves. They weren't covered by leaves. I just didn't know anybody ever even came up today and put anything on the porch. But FedEx or UPS did at some time, and the Goose Creek Candle order has arrived. So they had a sale going on last week, and the day, like a couple of y'all told me about it, and the day I went on there to check it out, there were only like 3 hours left on the sale. And their 3-wick candles, I think they were $11 or $13. I can't remember, but these candles are great. I've told y'all about them before. Stay tuned also, because with the holidays coming up, that also means random surprise giveaways from time to time, and Goose Creek may be a part of one of those giveaways. So here's what we got this time. We got Fall Festival, got lots of Thanksgiving, still fall scented things, only a couple of Christmas, mostly burns for November. Burns for November. Anyway, we got Fall Festival, small batch apple cider, North Pole Bakery, that's a Christmas one, pumpkin sugar cookie, pumpkin pie, Our Family Kitchen. This really isn't any kind of holiday one. It's one we've gotten from there before though, and it smells so good. I'll read y'all what it smells like in a minute. And then we got Baking on Christmas Eve, also a Christmas one. Stories by the Campfire. This one smells amazing. It kind of smells like, what's that marshmallow one called that we get from Walmart? And there's a marshmallow, yeah. And there's a marshmallow one from Bath and Body Works. I can't remember exactly the names of them, but that's what this Stories by the Campfire smells like. And then vanilla pumpkin waffle. They only had it in a single wick, so I got a single wick in that. And then we got this cranberry room spray. Stories by the Campfire says, oh, it doesn't say on the bottom what they smell like. Does it say it anywhere? I know it says it on the website because I read what they smelled like on the website. Yeah, it doesn't say it on the bottom, but all of these smell good. We've already smelled them, haven't we, Sissy? Right when we came in, she was spraying this. I was smelling these. We were excited. She said that this one is your favorite, right? The North Pole Bakery? Yeah. That's her favorite. Second favorite of hers was the pumpkin sugar cookie. We're gonna start with Fall Festival. We have found ourselves in the liquidation outlet. Is that what it's called? Liquidation. Oh, I love the color of this. I love this color. This is $35. That's a good deal for this size igloo. It's a new set of luggage.
That's it, boys. I'll tell you what.
And the price is probably right in here.
The price is probably right.
Oh, look, they have more Christmas stuff. Daddy, look, this is pretty. How much is this? Let's guess. Ready? I'm gonna say $12.99. $6? He's coming home with us.
Overbidding.
He's coming home. Now these, I believe this was a Dollar General thing. Yep, it was $2 at Dollar General. It's only $1 here. They get a lot of Dollar General stuff, I've noticed, and sell it for cheaper. Like maybe it's their last year stuff or something. Oh, look at these plates. How much are these? I bet they're 50 cents maybe. 50. Look, I would have won.
Man.
Right now, I'd have won that car.
It's the season.
It is. Look, these are pretty too with these colorful Christmas trees. How much we want to say? I'm gonna say $1.50.
$2.50.
Well, it says negative $2.50. Okay. So does that mean it's free? They give you $2.50.
I don't know what that means.
They will give you $2.50 for that. Candy canes from last year, anybody? 50 cents. That was fun.
Oh my goodness, that's the time of my life.
Barking Bean Coffee. Is this the cappuccino area? Cappuccino. We're going with Cinnabon. Oh, they have pumpkin spice right now. I didn't see that one. What's the one they were out of? Muddy Paws, Hershey's chocolate. They also have French vanilla. Sometimes if they, oh yeah, there it is, water. Push down for water right here.
See how this is got like a little bit of a froth on the top? I'm telling you, that's the best coffee I've ever drunk in my life.
I had to go back and get a straw. Ooh.
About some of these chocolate pecans here.
Yeah, they also have the praline ones.
What's the Christmas look to them?
Those are chicons.
Chicons? Where they come from China?
I don't know. Chicans, maybe? We went with the milk chocolate pecans.
Those other things is the version of our pecans here. They're chicons. They've just shipped them over here. It's not pecans, it's chicons.
I think there's some kind of, maybe they're a cheese pecan? We're gonna eat back here at Cowboys and Angels, but there's a little store up here that we've never been in before that we're gonna go to first because surprisingly, probably has something to do with the fact that it's a little chilly, but it is not busy up here tonight. I mean, look at this. Empty streets almost.
I said y'all folks down there in Florida, y'all wanna come up here into the North Pole?
Right.
Y'all come on, I got the lights up.
Yep, we'll show them to y'all. Hopefully it'll be dark here. Well, I mean, there ain't no hopefully. That sun's going down.
Hopefully it'll get dark again.
I mean, before we
will or not, but we're gonna hang around and see.
Before we head back, it'll be dark, you know, and we can show y'all some of the Christmas lights. They don't have them all up yet, but there's a Frosty right there. He's not on yet, though. Now, this pizza place right up here,
it's really good.
It's good. There's actually 2 or 3 really good pizza places. Yeah. This one's good. I forget what it's called. They usually have the Grinch in their window on Christmas. The Hooch Pizza. Yeah. It did it, y'all. It got dark. The lights came on. It's beautiful. I see a big toy soldier right over there. Now, in our opinion, they decorate these trees over here better than they do the actual village tree. You know, the one for the Christmas tree lighting. These are prettier over here.
It may be different people that do these. I mean, whoever does these trees do a better job.
Yeah, or it could be that maybe that other one's branches are just hard to decorate. I don't know.
See, what they do is they got this big ring down here at the bottom of that tree. That's the reason it looks like a perfect
circle. Yeah.
They don't do that over there.
No, over there it just...
There's somebody else on that part of town.
We don't know what happens. That one over there struggles a little bit.
And that's the, you know, that's supposed to be the main attraction.
Yeah, the main tree for the tree lighting. It's the tree for the tree lighting.
But they never do a great job at decorating that thing. That's the reason next year I'm actually going to probably come down here and be the mayor of this town and fix that problem.
I told him to run for mayor the other day.
First thing we're going to address in this whole deal right here is, number one, Christmas tree. Whoever that is, you're not fired. I'm just going to be down here giving you lessons. Okay? You ain't eating enough candy canes. You ain't watching enough Christmas movies and stuff like that before you go do that.
Yeah, you got to get yourself in the mood,
Christmas
right?
Spirit. Act like Santa Claus if you got to. It's looking nice down here, everybody. No, they won't light it up right now. I mean, there's so much more coming.
Right.
In future
more to
videos.
come. More to come.
Don't hang on. We'll show it to you.
Can anybody guess where we are?
We're in the place that wants you to do your shopping, and they also want you to work as a cashier. When you get done, you get to do your own scanning.
That's cute.
All grit and no quit. That's mine right there. I don't know about this.
Be still before the Lord.
He better not be still in them woods. He better run off. People, yes, dear, be still right now. You better be hopping off to the North Pole.
Yeah.
Another good saying. I'm just going through here reading everything. I'll tell you what, I'm encouraged to. It's fine. Everything's fine. Thank you. Woohoo. Somebody out there. Happy birthday to you. Someone out there. Not us. We don't have any more seats.
We're coming in here for towels, and look, you got, Dave, those are $11. We need the ones that cost. I like them when they get real thin, almost holes.
I know, because you grab the thing and just pat yourself one time, and the water shoots through it.
$6.98. That's my business right there.
You drive these 25 times, you grab it and you just.
It's like a napkin.
The water shoots over there, and you're like, we got to get the right ones, baby.
Oh, down here might be the $3 ones. Now that's the real good ones. They are, yeah, $3.97 right here. That's the ones right there. To me, these just do not dry you off good.
I'm sorry.
A Christmas wish right here. Red Ryder. Hey.
Doing good. I like to make friends with people everywhere I go.
Dolly got a sugar cookie kit. Funfetti hot cocoa cookies. Sugar cookie mix. Elf pancake kit. Pancakes and coffee. You know what they didn't have this year? They didn't have the pumpkin delights. McDonald's coffee actually beat Starbucks coffee in a taste test several years ago.
Starbucks to me ain't got great coffee.
Several years ago.
Let's just get some of that. You want some?
That's fine. There they are. Ladybug flies across the lake to hide beneath a rock with Snake. Ladybug better be careful. Now all are found except for Bear. No one sees him anywhere.
Where is that bear?
Where is he? Beetle asks, where can he be? We've got to find Bear instantly. Turtle, Skunk, and Bunny shout, come out, Bear. Come out. Come out. What's that sleeping over there? Wake up now, you silly bear.